Idinaos ngayong umaga sa Ateneo de Manila University ang ASEAN Institute for Peace and Reconciliation University Tour. Layon ng aktibidad na magkaroon ng plataporma para pag-usapan ang regional peace, security at governance ngayong hawak ng Pilipinas ang chairship ng ASEAN ngayong taon. Tinalakay rin sa nasabing aktibidad ang ambag ng Pilipinas pagdating sa regional peace building, partikular ang Bangsamoro Peace Process. Sa kanyang talumpati, sinabi ni Presidential Peace Advisor Mel Senel Sarmiento na kinakailangan ng kooperasyon ng iba't ibang sektor para makamit ang pangmatagalang kapayapaan. Ibinida rin ito ang mahalagang papel ng kabataan at akademya sa mga umuusbong na bantang panseguridad sa rehiyon.
Sustained dialogue, inclusive participation, responsive governance, and strong local leadership can transform conflict into opportunities for peace and development. And this is where the sharing of experiences and best practices becomes very important. Copying in school is a mortal sin, but in governance, copying best practices, especially programs that have proven effective, is not only allowed, it should be encouraged. Of course, we do not simply copy and paste. We learn from what works, understand why it works, adapt it to our own circumstances, and improve upon it.
Binigyan din sa talakayan ang mga bagong hamon na kinakaharap ng ASEAN tulad ng cyber threat, disinformation, maritime disputes at climate-related risks kasabay ng pagbabahagi ng Pilipinas ng karanasan nito sa localized peace building. Ipinaalala naman ni Philippine Permanent Representative to ASEAN Evangeline Jimenez Ducroc na hindi lang nasa kamay ng mga pamahalaan at mga diplomat ang pagtugon sa mga nasabing hamon.
Peace building cannot be left only to governments and diplomats, especially as peace and security challenges are becoming very complex, from geopolitical tensions and maritime disputes, violent extremism, cyber threats, disinformation, climate insecurity, and social polarization. Addressing these challenges require not only political decisions, but also a knowledge of history, local conditions, all of which research, dialogue, and critical thinking can unpack.
Gab Humilde Villegas, para sa Bayan.